Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up DSers or Zendrop for AliExpress dropshipping. This is useful if you want to add products from AliExpress to your Shopify store, manage your products in one place, and make it easier to send orders to your supplier. You can use DSers or Zendrop. You do not need to use both. Just choose the one that fits what you want to do. DSers is very popular for AliExpress products, and Zendrop is also a good option if you want a simple dropshipping app. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open your Shopify admin. First, go to Shopify and log into your store. Once you are inside your Shopify admin, look at the left side of the page. This is where you can manage your store, your products, your orders, and your apps. Now, go to the Apps section. If you do not see the app you want yet, click on the option to go to the Shopify App Store. From here, you can search for either DSers or Zendrop. Step 2. Search for DSers or Zendrop. In the search bar, type DSers if you want to use DSers. If you want to use Zendrop instead, type Zendrop. When the app shows up, click on it. Make sure you are choosing the correct app before you install it. You can check the app name, logo, and details on the app page. Once you are ready, click Install. Shopify may ask you to approve the app permissions. This is normal because the app needs to connect with your store so it can add products and help manage orders. Click Install App to continue. Step 3. Create or log into your account. After the app is installed, it will open and ask you to create an account or log in. If you already have an account, just sign in. If you are new, create a new account using your email. Follow the steps on the screen. You may need to confirm your email or add basic details. Do not rush this part. Make sure you use an email you can access because you may need it later for order updates, account messages, or supplier messages. Next, connect AliExpress. Now you need to connect AliExpress, especially if you are using DSers. Inside DSers, look for the option that says AliExpress, Supplier, or Account Connection. Click on it and log into your AliExpress account. If you do not have an AliExpress account yet, create one first. Use your real email and make sure your account is ready to use. This connection is important because it helps DSers find products, connect them to your store, and help you place orders. For Zendrop, you may not always need to connect AliExpress in the same way. Zendrop may let you search products inside the app, but if there is an option to connect or import from AliExpress, follow the steps shown inside Zendrop. And that is how you can set up DSers or Zendrop for AliExpress dropshipping. You just install the app, connect it to your Shopify store, connect AliExpress if needed, find products, edit them, push them to your store, check shipping, and manage orders from the app. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.